Hello everybody, welcome to Goobrinaville, my survival realm. I'm Pop-Up, and I just have a short project planned for us today, mostly just to try out this different microphone that I'm using. So anyway, to get started, I'll head down to a rail station, which I changed up a little bit. Some people were having trouble getting into the minecart. They'd pushed a button and could get too close to the minecart and would bump it back into the cactus and could never get in. So I added these fence posts around the edges. There was this tree was in the way here, right up against the bricks. But I decided to take it down and I planted 4 saplings a little bit further back because I liked the look of the tree, but it was just in the way. I don't know why I built the minecart launcher so close to it. So anyway, we're gonna hop into a minecart and take a very short ride. Oh, hopefully I have the switch set the correct way, and yes I do, because that's one of the problems I have with my minecart system is it's difficult for some people because they don't know which way the switches need to be set. And my base mansion here is about 65,000 blocks from the world spawn, so anybody new coming to my world needs to travel quite a distance to get to my base. So I did make a rail cart system that goes the entire way, 8,000 blocks through the nether, but the rest in the overworld. So anyway, there's some switches up here just past this village that lead to my villager breeder and my gold farm. Problem is, every time somebody tries to get to my base, they're always turned around by these switches. So what we're going to do is get rid of them. No more switches. Let's get rid of that track. Okay, and let's put a straight one in there. And that fixes that intersection. Now what we're going to do here is I think we're going to take up all of these tracks. Here and here. Might as well take that out too. And let's break that and put a straight piece in. Okay, now we got a straight path coming from our portal straight through to our base. So anybody coming to visit us won't get confused. Okay, but now we still need a way to get our villagers from the breeder back to my base. So we're just going to extend this track straight on down to here, to here, to here, and I think to avoid having to put in a switch, oh, it would be nice if I had one more powered rail. Did I break one? Yes, I did. So we're going to put one powered rail here, and then one piece of track here. There. That should do it. This original track was how I got villagers to the villager breeder to start with. I kidnapped them from this village, which I did surround with a wall, and I did feed a bunch of those villagers to make a few more babies to fill it up and get it going good. So that's a nice, good, healthy village. So anyway, chicken, what are you doing in my minecart? That's good. I'm going to take my minecart. I'm going to leave this track here just in case we ever do need to get anything to or from that village. It's already there. I might as well leave it. It's not in the way. Okay, and let's go test this stretch just to make sure it's going to work the way we think it's going to. Where's my minecart? Okay, we'll stick it in here. Okay, we'll hop in and we'll see if we go the right way. And we are. So now I can ride this all the way back to the base. Yep, and that is a pretty big village. It does extend quite a way. Okay. We'll say hello to our quartz sellers in there. It's where we got our courts that we used for the lines in our parking lots around our football field and for the line markers. And we'll go see that eventually. Okay, past my little base that I made before I did my mansion attack. I wasn't sure what I was going to get into when I approached that mansion, so I built a little base. I traveled so far to get here. I didn't want to screw up in the first 5 minutes, so anyway, we'll get booted out, minecart gets recycled, and we could head home. Yep, so everybody, I guess that's the end of this episode. I hope the mic worked out. I guess I'll find out in a minute if it did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.